Yo, what's up, guys? So this is kind of my video on GRC engineering, and I think this is a really cool niche that is gonna definitely grow over time within the cloud engineering space, but also just backend in general. I think like it's gonna be a requirement at first. Like definitely gonna be some people who want to pioneer this field, but as you can see with just 58 stars on their GitHub, I think like this is if you're really into niche tech, like this is something that is definitely interesting and you can look at it. The biggest thing is translating a security mindset into an actionable project and put it into your existing DevOps pipelines or like just definitely in general being able to have observability within an audit trail. What GRC engineering is governance, risk, and compliance. And that's basically the ability to align your software programs and security guidelines with existing national frameworks. But now we can automate it and also have that integrated seamlessly within the pipeline. So DevOps as it is like what CI/CD is continuous integration and continuous delivery, and that basically is having your code run and have high availability in terms of uptime, and then also being able to push updates as things go on. The problem with this is a great thing is a lot of GRC work is currently manual, and so a lot of the industry is now looking for automation, and definitely with things like GitLab and AWS CloudTrail, it's going to make it a lot easier to implement this into your workflows. So I also wanted to talk about a potential project that you could do that I found from AJ, this guy named AJ, who's within the GRC space. He basically made a great diagram on how to do core compliance services within AWS. And since that's the most popular cloud provider, I think like people like me who got a start, I wanted to build this thing out and probably like post another video on how to actually do this. But you're going to have like a AWS CloudTrail with Security Hub, put that into your audit manager, and then that will allow you to get reports and continuous monitoring. The evidence sources will probably be GitLab. And that's also, you can have like a free trial on that. So within GitLab, you can see your pipeline that keeps the app running. But then you can also have an evidence trail, which is right here, where a bunch of compliance checks have been passed or there's a warning, and then you can go in and fix that specific thing. I mean, this is just a benchmark or basis on really this area, which is GRC engineering. One more thing I forgot to add, the NIST framework is a list of guidelines for managing risk within a organization, specifically IT risk, but also general security. I think there's also like physical security, things like biometric authentication and things like that you can put in to your like building that works on this stuff. But I think this is really cool, and I definitely want to personally build more advanced projects on my own time. But I just wanted to share this because it's like super interesting, and I think it's just a natural progression of people who are in the GRC space. Thanks for watching.